Hi everybody! Lesson 2 is short and sweet and to the point. If you head inside of Schoology for lesson number 2, you're going to see that I have a couple of different videos and they're adorable. One is a little bit more musical than the other, but both of them talk about the difference between fiction and nonfiction. And that's an important thing for the library because we actually have two different sections of the library. One is specific to fiction and the other nonfiction. So, in our fiction section, this is an actual picture of the North Hills Library, and you'll see that I have these little purple monsters because we all know that monsters are fake, false, phony, baloney. And that also coincides with the numbers of our aisles, which are also in purple. So aisles 1 through 4 are fiction stories. They are written for your entertainment, and they all have on the spine a call number that starts with the letter F and then includes the first 3 letters of the author's last name. And that just happens to be the left-ish side of our library. The nonfiction section of the library, of which we have an actual picture here, has the facts and the truths in all of those types of books and stories. And I just want to emphasize that I intentionally put the nonfiction books onto these notebook style pictures here. And they have numbers on them that coincide with the Dewey Decimal System. Now, that Dewey Decimal System from 000 to 999 is a lesson for another time, but understand that while you're looking in this section of the library, you're going to see numbers, and underneath of those numbers that are part of which topic your book is about, you will then also see the first 3 letters of the author's last name. And that's important whether it's a fiction or a nonfiction book. They wrote the book, they should definitely have their name on the side and get credit for that book. So here in the actual North Hills Library are the pictures and the little chants that I use to make sure you understand the difference and you can find the location of the book you are looking for. If you'd like, you can complete the assignment about which one you prefer to read and why. But mostly I hope you enjoy the videos and make sure that you understand the difference between a fiction book and a nonfiction book. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.